Hello and welcome to Pioneers of Change Global 1000, where we take you on a journey of life stories of those personalities of history who have made an everlasting mark. In this episode, we will be sharing an inspiring story of the great legend Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
हार नहीं मानूंगा, राग नहीं ठानूंगा, काल के कपाल पर लिखता मिटाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता, गीत नया गाता।
Atal Bihari Vajpayee, often called the man of the masses, served as Prime Minister of India for 3 terms. Born on December 25, 1924 in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, to Krishna Bihari Vajpayee and Krishna Devi. His remarkable life is spent over 9 decades. After completing his schooling at Saraswati Shishu Mandir and AVM School, Ujjain, Atal pursued a BA in English, Sanskrit and Hindi at Victoria College, Gwalior. His academic journey continued with postgraduate studies in political science at DAV College, Kanpur, though he abandoned a law career due to the partition riots of 1947. Moving on to his political career, Atal joined the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, rising from a volunteer to the position of Vistarak. His journalistic stint with newspapers like Panchjanya, Rashtradharma, Swadesh, and Veer Arjun in Uttar Pradesh showcased his dedication. Appointed as the National Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Atal's leadership shone when he became the President of the Bharatiya Janata Sangh in 1968 after Deen Dayal Upadhyaya's demise. Renowned for his eloquent oratory, he fiercely defended the Sangh's policies. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's political journey included being elected to the Lok Sabha 9 times and the Rajya Sabha twice, earning him the title of a veteran parliamentarian. His 3 times as Prime Minister began in 1996 with a short-lived tenure of 16 days. His second term post the 1998 general elections lasted 13 months. The third term from 1999 to 2004 marked a historic achievement, being the only Prime Minister with 2 successive mandates since Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Vajpayee never married and remained a bachelor his entire life. He adopted Namita Bhattacharya, the daughter of his dear friends Rajkumari Kaul and Professor B.N. Kaul. This family, his only one, stayed with him until his last breath on August 16, 2018. Beyond politics, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a noted poet with works like Kaidi Kaviraj Ki Kundliyan and Amar Aag Hai. In 2014, he was honored with the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, recognizing over 50 years of selfless dedication to the nation. Named the best parliamentarian in 1994, his multifaceted personality and commitment to nationalism set him apart. However, like any leader, Vajpayee's legacy includes decisions that drew criticism and controversy, notably the Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998, seen by some as essential for national security, drew international condemnation and concerns about a potential arms race in South Asia. Another controversial chapter was the handling of the 2002 Gujarat riots. Vajpayee's government faced severe criticism for perceived inaction during the riots that targeted Muslims. Critics accused him of turning a blind eye to the violence and failing to protect minorities. Despite these controversies, Vajpayee's legacy is marked by a shift towards economic liberalization, improved foreign relations, and increased focus on social welfare. He is fondly remembered for his leadership qualities, political pragmatism, and commitment to national development. If you found this exploration of Atal Bihari Vajpayee's life and legacy insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories of impactful personalities. Hit the bell icon for future notification. Thank you for watching.